very mild version of darkness. If you took a dark shade and you implement a very mild version of that dark shade on, let's say, an object, you will notice from a digital standpoint, you will notice it creates a ripple effect. The color itself begin to ripple, and when you zoom out, you begin to see a three-dimensional illustration of the ripple effect in water on a two-dimensional surface, and it's a fascinating phenomenon. What caused this three-dimensional interpretation or the optical illusion in the eye is because the darkness that's used, that opacity, the level of the darkness opacity is so mild and subtle that it creates ripple effect. So this is how we create water. You know, the darker the shades determine what aspect of the water the light is not reflecting on. And I find I got into art, you know, I'm from a research scientist perspective. I noticed that art is helping me unravel a lot